Question 1. What is the chapter Shaping of the Earth's Surface about? Answer 1. It explains how internal and external forces continuously change the Earth's surface. Question 2. What are internal forces of the Earth? Answer 2. Internal forces are forces that originate inside the Earth and shape the surface. Question 3. What are external forces of the Earth? Answer 3. External forces are forces like wind, water, ice, and waves that act on the Earth's surface. Question 4. Why is the Earth's surface always changing? Answer 4. The Earth's surface changes because of plate movement, weathering, erosion, and deposition. Question 5. What are the three main layers of the Earth? Answer 5. The three main layers of the Earth are crust, mantle, and core. Question 6. What is the crust? Answer 6. The crust is the thin, solid outermost layer of the Earth. Question 7. What is the mantle? Answer 7. The mantle is the hot, mostly solid plastic layer below the crust. Question 8. What is the core? Answer 8. The core is the innermost layer of the Earth, mainly made of iron and nickel. Question 9. What is Cial? Answer 9. Cial is the upper part of the crust, mainly made of silica and aluminium. Question 10. What is Sima? Answer 10. Sima is the lower part of the crust, mainly made of silica and magnesium. Question 11. What is knife? Answer 11. Knife refers to the core, which is mainly made of nickel and iron. Question 12. What happens to temperature as we go deeper inside the Earth? Answer 12. Temperature increases as we go deeper inside the Earth. Question 13. What happens to pressure as we go deeper inside the Earth? Answer 13. Pressure increases as we go deeper inside the Earth. Question 14. What is magma? Answer 14. Magma is molten rock found below the Earth's surface. Question 15. What is lava? Answer 15. Lava is magma that comes out onto the Earth's surface. Question 16. What is plate tectonics? Answer 16. Plate tectonics is the theory that explains the movement of tectonic plates. Question 17. What are tectonic plates? Answer 17. Tectonic plates are large pieces of the Earth's lithosphere that move slowly. Question 18. What is the lithosphere? Answer 18. The lithosphere is the rigid outer layer of the Earth, including the crust and upper mantle. Question 19. What is the asthenosphere? Answer 19. The asthenosphere is a hot, weak, partly molten layer below the lithosphere. Question 20. Why do tectonic plates move? Answer 20. Tectonic plates move mainly because of convection currents in the mantle. Question 21. How fast do tectonic plates move? Answer 21. Tectonic plates move very slowly, usually a few centimeters each year. Question 22. What is a plate boundary? Answer 22. A plate boundary is the place where two tectonic plates meet. Question 23. What is a divergent plate boundary? Answer 23. A divergent boundary is where two plates move away from each other. Question 24. What is a convergent plate boundary? Answer 24. A convergent boundary is where two plates move towards each other. Question 25. What is a transform plate boundary? Answer 25. A transform boundary is where two plates slide past each other. Question 26. Which plate movement formed the Himalayas? Answer 26. The collision of the Indian plate and the Eurasian plate formed the Himalayas. Question 27. Why are the Himalayas still rising? Answer 27. The Himalayas are still rising because the Indian plate continues to push into the Eurasian plate. Question 28. What is an earthquake? Answer 28. An earthquake is the sudden shaking of the Earth's surface. Question 29. What causes earthquakes? Answer 29. Earthquakes are caused by the sudden release of energy inside the Earth's crust. Question 30. What is the focus of an earthquake? Answer 30. The focus is the point inside the Earth where an earthquake begins. Question 31. What is the epicenter of an earthquake? Answer 31. The epicenter is the point on the Earth's surface directly above the focus. Question 32. What are seismic waves? Answer 32. Seismic waves are energy waves produced during an earthquake. Question 33. Which instrument records earthquakes? Answer 33. A seismograph records earthquakes. Question 34. Why do earthquakes occur mostly near plate boundaries? Answer 34. Earthquakes occur near plate boundaries because plates collide, separate, or slide past each other. Question 35. Can earthquakes be predicted accurately? Answer 35. Earthquakes cannot be predicted accurately, but earthquake-prone zones can be identified. Question 36. Does India have earthquake risk? Answer 36. Yes, India has earthquake risk, especially in the Himalayan region. Question 37. Why is the Himalayan region earthquake-prone? Answer 37. The Himalayan region is earthquake-prone because the Indian plate is colliding with the Eurasian plate. Question 38. What is a volcano? Answer 38. A volcano is an opening in the Earth's crust through which lava, ash, and gases come out. Question 39. What is a volcanic eruption? Answer 39. A volcanic eruption is the release of lava, ash, gases, and rocks from a volcano. Question 40. What is a volcanic vent? Answer 40. A volcanic vent is the opening through which volcanic materials come out. Question 41. What is a crater? Answer 41. A crater is the bowl-shaped opening at the top of a volcano. Question 42. What is volcanic ash? Answer 42. Volcanic ash is fine, powdery material released during a volcanic eruption. Question 43. What is an active volcano? Answer 43. An active volcano is a volcano that is erupting or may erupt again. Question 44. What is a dormant volcano? Answer 44. A dormant volcano is a sleeping volcano that has not erupted recently but may erupt again. Question 45. What is an extinct volcano? Answer 45. An extinct volcano is a volcano that is not expected to erupt again. Question 46. What is the Ring of Fire? Answer 46. The Ring of Fire is a zone around the Pacific Ocean with many volcanoes and earthquakes. Question 47. What is weathering? Answer 47. Weathering is the breaking down of rocks at the same place. Question 48. What is erosion? Answer 48. Erosion is the removal and transportation of weathered material. Question 49. What is deposition? Answer 49. Deposition is the laying down of transported material in a new place. Question 50. What is the difference between weathering and erosion? Answer 50. Weathering breaks rocks, while erosion carries the broken material away. Question 51. What is physical weathering? Answer 51. Physical weathering is the breaking of rocks without changing their chemical composition. Question 52. What is chemical weathering? Answer 52. Chemical weathering is the breakdown of rocks through chemical reactions. Question 53. What is biological weathering? Answer 53. Biological weathering is the breaking of rocks by plants, animals, and humans. Question 54. How do plant roots cause weathering? Answer 54. Plant roots enter cracks in rocks and widen them as they grow. Question 55. What are agents of gradation? Answer 55. Agents of gradation are natural forces that erode, transport, and deposit materials. Question 56. Name the main agents of gradation. Answer 56. The main agents of gradation are running water, glaciers, wind, sea waves, and underground water. Question 57. What is running water? Answer 57. Running water is flowing water in rivers and streams that shapes the land. Question 58. How do rivers erode land? Answer 58. Rivers erode land by cutting valleys and carrying soil and rocks downstream. Question 59. What is a V-shaped valley? Answer 59. A V-shaped valley is a narrow valley formed by river erosion in mountains. Question 60. What is a waterfall? Answer 60. A waterfall is a steep fall of river water from a height. Question 61. What is a meander? Answer 61. A meander is a wide curve or bend in a river. Question 62. What is an oxbow lake? Answer 62. An oxbow lake is a crescent-shaped lake formed when a river meander gets cut off. Question 63. What is a floodplain? Answer 63. A floodplain is a flat area near a river formed by deposits during floods. Question 64. What are natural levees? Answer 64. Natural levees are raised riverbanks formed by deposition during floods. Question 65. What is a delta? Answer 65. A delta is a low, fertile landform formed by river deposits near the river mouth. Question 66. Which is the world's largest river delta? Answer 66. The Ganga-Brahmaputra-Meghna Delta, also called the Bengal Delta, is the world's largest river delta. Question 67. Why are deltas fertile? Answer 67. Deltas are fertile because rivers deposit fine, rich alluvial soil there. Question 68. What is a glacier? Answer 68. A glacier is a slow-moving mass of ice. Question 69. How do glaciers shape land? Answer 69. Glaciers shape land by eroding rocks and depositing materials as they move. Question 70. What is a U-shaped valley? Answer 70. A U-shaped valley is a broad valley formed by glacial erosion. Question 71. What is a moraine? Answer 71. A moraine is a deposit of rocks and debris carried by a glacier. Question 72. What is an avalanche? Answer 72. An avalanche is a sudden fall of snow, ice, and rocks down a mountain slope. Question 73. What is a glacial lake? Answer 73. A glacial lake is a lake formed by melting glacier water. Question 74. What is a glough? Answer 74. A glough is a glacial lake outburst flood caused when a glacial lake suddenly bursts. Question 75. What is wind erosion? Answer 75. Wind erosion is the removal of loose soil and sand by wind. Question 76. Where is wind erosion common? Answer 76. Wind erosion is common in deserts and dry regions. Question 77. What is deflation? Answer 77. Deflation is the lifting and removal of loose particles by wind. Question 78. What is wind abrasion? Answer 78. Wind abrasion is the wearing away of rocks by sand particles carried by wind. Question 79. What is a sand dune? Answer 79. A sand dune is a mound or ridge of sand deposited by wind. Question 80. What is a mushroom rock? Answer 80. A mushroom rock is a rock shaped like a mushroom by wind erosion.
Question 81. What is loess? Answer 81. Loess is a deposit of fine, wind-blown silt. Question 82. How do sea waves shape the coast? Answer 82. Sea waves shape the coast by erosion, transportation, and deposition. Question 83. What is a sea cliff? Answer 83. A sea cliff is a steep rock face formed by wave erosion. Question 84. What is a sea cave? Answer 84. A sea cave is a hollow formed in coastal rocks by wave erosion. Question 85. What is a sea arch? Answer 85. A sea arch is an arch-shaped opening formed when waves erode a headland. Question 86. What is a sea stack? Answer 86. A sea stack is an isolated pillar of rock left after a sea arch collapses. Question 87. What is a beach? Answer 87. A beach is a deposit of sand, pebbles, or small stones along the seashore. Question 88. How does underground water shape land? Answer 88. Underground water dissolves rocks and forms caves and other landforms. Question 89. In which rocks are caves commonly formed? Answer 89. Caves are commonly formed in limestone rocks. Question 90. What is a stalactite? Answer 90. A stalactite is a deposit that hangs from the roof of a cave. Question 91. What is a stalagmite? Answer 91. A stalagmite is a deposit that rises from the floor of a cave. Question 92. What are karst landforms? Answer 92. Karst landforms are features formed by underground water acting on limestone. Question 93. What is a landslide? Answer 93. A landslide is the sudden movement of rocks, soil, and debris down a slope. Question 94. What causes landslides? Answer 94. Landslides are caused by heavy rainfall, earthquakes, slope cutting, and weak rocks. Question 95. How can landslide risk be reduced? Answer 95. Landslide risk can be reduced by planting trees, improving drainage, and avoiding construction on unstable slopes. Question 96. What is a dust storm? Answer 96. A dust storm is a strong windstorm that carries large amounts of dust and sand. Question 97. How can soil erosion be controlled? Answer 97. Soil erosion can be controlled by planting trees, terrace farming, contour ploughing, and bunding. Question 98. Why is disaster preparedness important? Answer 98. Disaster preparedness helps reduce loss of life and property during natural hazards. Question 99. What should people do during an earthquake? Answer 99. During an earthquake, people should drop, cover, and hold on until the shaking stops. Question 100. What is the main message of this chapter? Answer 100. The main message is that the Earth's surface is dynamic and is shaped by both internal and external forces.